Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new glass door refrigerated display units. Okay, brand on this unit, Cooler Depot, our own company brand model for the unit, CL238. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure this unit out for you, give you the exterior measurements. I'll also measure the inside for you. Okay, starting with the length here, you're going to be looking at a total of about 20 and a half inches, 20 and a half. Okay, front to back. You're looking at about 18 inches. And the overall height, you're looking at a total of about 67 inches high. Okay, the unit does have wheels on the bottom, casters, so you can easily move it around. Also, the wheels have stoppers as well. Okay, also we have our controls here at the very top of the unit. You have a light switch, you have a set switch, and you have two arrows here for you to be able to set the temperature. Okay, if you want to go ahead and raise or lower that temperature, you can go ahead and do so here with these controls. Okay, the unit will also show the temperature once it's on and running. Okay, I want to go ahead and now open up the inside here and show you the inside. As I mentioned, there is a light switch here at the top. You do have LED lighting for this unit. Okay, so you will be able to find those LED lightings on the back corners of this cooler. Okay, you also will be provided with shelves. Okay, you have a total of 4 shelves for this unit. Now, let's go ahead and give you the inside measurements. From front to back, you're looking at a total of 16 inches for the front to back. Left to right, you're looking at a total of 19 inches. And the overall height here, it will be a total 44 and a half inches high. Okay, 44 and a half inches high. So those are your inside measurements for this refrigerated display. Also, we have a plug located on one side of the unit. It is a standard US plug for this unit. And on the other side, we can locate a sticker with more information. All the specs are going to be located on that sticker, as well as certifications. Okay, so you can locate all the specs regarding this refrigerator on that side sticker. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this unit. If you're interested in one of these items, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the exact price for this model. If you're interested or have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.